Hi, boys and girls. This is our handwriting for today. And what we're going to do is go through all the letters, the capital letters of the alphabet. We have practiced them throughout our handwriting book, and now it's time to shine and show our best work. So remember, we're always starting at the dots. Okay, so some of them will start at the starting point in the corner, but some start in the middle. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to first trace the top one. So here's our A. Big line down, big line slides down, little line across. Then I want you to make that letter right underneath of it. Okay, big line slides down, big line slides down, little line across. Okay, and then you would just keep going through the whole alphabet. Okay, start at the top. We're making our B. Big line down, frog jump up, little curve to the middle, little curve to the bottom. And then you're going to do the same thing. Okay, notice I'm going slow, so I'm staying in control. All your letters should all be just in the box. So nothing should be outside of this little gray box that you have. All right, now we're making the C. This one you start in the middle at the top. Okay, big curve down. Okay, we're going to do the same. Big curve down. All right, now we're going to the D. Big line down, frog jump up, big curve to the bottom. Big line down, frog jump up, big curve to the bottom. And then we're going through all of them. Here's our E, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom, the middle, and little line across the bottom. Now we're doing the F. First trace it. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Yep, not the bottom, sorry, the middle. I'm going to do the same. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle. Okay, now we're going to do our G. That starts at the top in the middle. Big curve. Oops, I got to first trace it. Big curve down, up, and little line across. Big curve down, up, little line across. Okay, remember how slow and in control I am. Now the H. Big line down, little line across. Big line down, little line across. Here's the I that we made yesterday. Big line down. Whoops, see, I got off the track. And that happens. And if it does, you just erase it and start again. Okay? Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Now the J. Big line down, curve it up, little line across the top. Big line down, curve it up, little line across the top. Remember we have to trace. Even Mrs. Cool forgot. Look at here. So we have to trace first. Big line down, little line slides to the middle, little line slides down. Okay. Big line down, little line slides to the middle, little line slides down. Okay. Now the L. Big line down, little line across. Big line down, little line across. All right, we'll keep going. Now we're going to do the M. Big line down, frog jump up, big line slides down, slides up, down. Big line slides down, big line down, frog jump up, big line slides down, slides up, down. All right, you're going to go through the whole alphabet, and then when you get to Z, and if you've done your best work, I only want you to submit your absolute best work. And so finish it up, and then send it to me so I can see your great work. Remember, all these letters are review. Then we're going to start next week. We're going to get to start on lowercase letters. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.